DigiByte price, DigiByte price, DigiByte price in the short-term chart. DigiByte price, DigiByte price, DGB crypto on December 2020. I apologize for that. Sometimes I have those urges that I just have to fill out. Things go in my brain and out of my mouth. So anything can happen. And if you want to be a part of my channel where anything can happen, well, subscribe to the channel, click the red box and become a member of our crypto pack. It is completely free, don't you worry about that. If you want to further support the channel, you can tip the dinosaur. For where and how, check out the description of this video. And if you don't want to do any of that, fine by me. This is a free world. You can just watch the freaking video and do nothing about it. What's happening in the top coins and our overall crypto space? Well, I would say much is happening, because although we are moving in little percentages to the upside, one coin is sticking out and bleeding to death. XRP at 36 cents, minus 22% at the time of the recording of this video. Now, I was a little bit over dramatic when I said bleeding to death. It is bleeding, and a lot of XRP holders are not happy and are extremely scared right now. Okay, I understand that, but in the overall picture there is not much reasoning for that fear, because XRP is just starting to retest one more time of the support that was many months his resistance. He's just going back to retest all these areas that were holding him. After that, it will continue its move to the upside. So XRP fans, fear not, just relax. The bleeding will stop soon. On the other side, we have coins like Synthetics and Zilliqa with the moves of 27% and 17%. Well, those guys we covered on our channel, so make sure to check out our videos about those if you are interested in those coins. And nothing more to say, but congrats, man, that you clicked for the DigiByte. So let's head to the 12 hours chart of your favorite DigiByte. First, let's clash our boy against dollar and see where we stand regarding the fiats. Well, if you're seeing what I am seeing, and you are seeing it, we are in kind of sideways choppy move of the DigiByte. Remember, every candle on this chart represents half a day. Overall, I think one structure is pointing out to us that we are kind of consolidating. For that structure, we will draw ultimate levels of support and resistances on DigiByte versus USD. Our support, around 0.018 cents, has proven itself for being significant. You can see that every time we tested this area, we bounced off it. So by the probability, let's expect that on the next touch, if there will be any, and I think it will, one or a few more times, we will bounce to the upside again. But resisting us, also a pretty clear resistance, an area that DigiByte has a tendency to sell off when reached. It resists us here and here. So for now, we will respect this level of resistance and this level of support. And now that we drew those levels of support and resistance, we can complete a picture with just one channel that is moving sideways. Something like this, that some answers at instant could be given to you regarding our median line, where we got rejected recently. Isn't it obvious? The median of the channel. So for now, let's respect this channel and just enjoy the boredness, if that is the word, the choppiness of the DigiByte's price action that is moving in a sideways channel. Volume is not that significant, and our biggest so far on this picture came when we met the ultimate resistance that we mentioned earlier. So expect a bigger volume when either of these lines are breached, support and resistance. It literally can go in any direction. But since we are in a bull market, let's be a little bit optimistic regarding move to the upside, okay? 200 period moving average. Well, in my opinion, the significant one, the most significant one on the 12 hours chart. And you can see why. We tried to breach it right here, we accomplished that, but got rejected from the median of this channel, and now we're back below it. Just because of this setup, just because of our price action is below 200 period moving average, we can declare that we are in a semi-bearish, semi-neutral territory. For now, nothing bullish of DigiByte versus dollar. But how DigiByte stands versus Bitcoin, let's check that out. Okay, I had to ask. It'd probably be better that we left things at the semi-neutral territory, because this is bearishness to the bone. No lines are needed here, because you can see the clear downtrend versus Bitcoin and no signs of life even on the volume. So versus Bitcoin, we'll still have to wait. Bitcoin is the absolute dominator and the king of DigiByte. 200 period moving average is telling us run away, run away. This was the last time that we had even remotely close something with a 200. But since this point, it's a constant bleed with no chance of revival. Even plotted a 100 period with a bearish crossover versus the bigger one. DigiByte is so bearish that since that point of a breakout through the two moving averages, we haven't touched the either one. Are things black versus Ethereum also? It's time for our last chart of today. Let's go. The same situation is revealed to us against Ethereum. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Downward sloping price action with no signs of recovery. No life in volume, no life in price action. And for the record, you know what the 200 period will tell us. After this point, and this was September, not even close to a 200 period moving average. 100 a little closer, but still close, but no cigar. What is conclusion of all this? Against Ethereum, bearish. Against Bitcoin, bearish. Against fiat American dollar, bearish but little more sideways neutral. Now let's keep things clear. I'm not talking nothing against DigiByte as a project. I'm just stating that on these charts, for now, the time of shine and glory of DigiByte has not yet come. Soon it will be happening, especially the year 2021 for every altcoin. Not every, but almost every altcoin. You will have some positive upside potentials. What I'm saying is just for now, keep your Ethereum, keep your Bitcoin, even keep those cash in the sidelines. The DigiByte train will leave the station very soon. You just need to have patience. If you liked the video, smash a thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, well, that could be expected regarding that you heard nothing bullish in today's forecast. Nonetheless, check out one of these that I'm pointing at you right now. In those, you could find coins that you're interested with some bullishness. Bye.